Hi everyone, welcome to Get Better Life TV. In my previous recap video, which translates and summarizes the first two episodes of the interview I had with Baba Karimu Adeyemi, titled Ifa Initiation Necessity and Who May Need It in Ifa Religion, as explained by Baba Karimu Adeyemi. If you have not watched the video, check the end screen of this video to watch it. As I said in the video, the essence of this translation and summary is for the purpose of those who do not understand Yoruba language, and as requested in the comment section. So, this is another episode of the translation and summary of the interview I had with Baba Karimu Adeyemi. He made us to understand that it is through Ifa Divination System that the required Ebo, known as sacrifice, is offered. That, take for instance, when someone is not feeling too well, that is, feeling sick, that it does not matter where the person is located, anywhere all over the world, that such Ebo to be offered will get to such person and get him or her healed, as Ebo works with the breeze. This means that the effect of an offered sacrifice can reach anywhere to work accordingly. He also made us to understand that Ifa Religion is a very good and important religion in our lives as blacks. That Ifa is one of our culture and traditions as black race, which our ancestors have been making use of to heal and solve their problems, even before the advent of the Abrahamic religions. He said, in the olden days, Ifa used to be what is being used to enthrone kings in Yoruba land. That, unlike nowadays, the verse is the case. He went further to tell us why some people get initiated into Ifa religion or Ifa spirituality. According to him, some people get initiated in order to solve their spiritual problems, and that if anyone wants to get initiated, he or she needs to get in touch with a qualified practicing Ifa priest known as Babalawo, who can cast and interpret Ifa divination for guidance. Thanks for watching. Expect more in my next video, and bye for now.